Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time! It's time for the lightning round! And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, ski daddy? Time for the lightning round. Cameras and money. Let's start with Mark in Florida. Mark.
Hi, Jim. From one masked man to another, it's a pleasure to speak with you.
Always got to wear our mask. That's how we tamp it. What's going on?
Well, my question's about a stock I bought 7 weeks ago. 2 days after I bought it, they lost a lawsuit, and it went down quite a bit. I bought an equal amount to average down, and for the next 6 weeks, it went up and up and up. Unbelievably, kept going up. 2 days ago, Emergent Biosolutions was added from the small cap 600 to the mid cap 400, and it plummeted. A third of the profit was gone just
Well,
in that
don't worry
day.
about that. This is a very good company. I think you're in a really good situation. J&J likes them. I like them. Okay, let's go to Jeff in Massachusetts. Jeff.
Hey, Jim. Here's my son, Steven. What a question for you.
Sure.
Nikola. More shares are becoming available and the price has dropped. Is it time to buy?
Supply overwhelmed demand, which is not a good sign. Most of the good stocks are like Tesla, where demand is overwhelming supply. I think that you should stay away. There's much better places for you to put your money, and I'm glad you're starting early. Let's go to Alexander, New Jersey. Alexander.
Hey, Dr. Chill.
Yo.
Thanks for the guidance you give us young investors so we can have success for years to come.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah. So I'm trying to get some exposure into the new digital industrial revolution that's being referred to as Industry 4.0.
Yes.
Can I get thoughts on industrial software company PTC? Thank you.
I think you should buy Autodesk. I think Autodesk is much better than PTC. Go for Autodesk. I know it's just a better run company. Let's go to David in Florida. David.
Oh, yeah, Jim. How you doing today?
All right. How about you?
I'm doing good, man. Okay, I got a question. So with everything that's taken place this year, the firearm background checks hit a record in March and then broke that record in June. Additionally, with COVID, we have a record demand on chlorine and bleach products. Now, the largest producer, Olin, is trading at all-time lows.
Yeah, but it hasn't benefited one bit from this. I mean, it really is, David. It's not going to suddenly start benefiting. It is a disappointment. And I know that if you want a chemical company, the only one that I'm recommending right now after Dow's had its big run is DuPont. But Olin's been a disappointment. I don't want to put you in that house of pain. Let's go to Stephen in Florida. Stephen.
Hey, Jim.
Yeah.
Long-time fan. Great program. One of the best.
Thank you.
I also read all your books and get into my millennial children. So I have a pick and shovel play for the biotech industry. Gene sequencers are the key to developing new therapies for genetic and other diseases, as well as for developers of the new technologies for vaccine development. We wouldn't know what we know today about the coronavirus without companies like ILMN.
Illumina's sensational. I was going to say, I hope he says either Illumina or Thermo Fisher or Danaher. All three of those are good ones. Illumina's a great company. I can't believe that nobody snapped that one up when they had a chance. Let's go to Brett in California. Brett.
Booyah, ski daddy, Reverend Jim Baum Cramer. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
Doing great. Hey, I'm a 28-year-old investor. I've been watching your show since I was 18, and I've bought my first stock as a high school senior.
There you go.
Because of you, I made a ton of money, and I rely on your show every day. My stock I've owned for 5 years. I'm down 25%. It does pay dividends, but I want to know should I buy, sell, or hold? Stock is KMI, Kinder Morgan Energy Partners.
I don't like the pipelines. I don't care whether it's an MLP or a C Corp. I just think the pipeline business was a once great business without a lot of growth, and I do not think you should own that stock. If you do want oil, the ones I'm recommending, once again, are Pioneer because of Sheffield, Parsley because they have a great environmental footprint, and yes, Chevron because Mike Wirth is as smart as they get. Teresa in Ohio. Teresa. Oh, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.